Hey guys, welcome to my office. Let me show you another roof maintenance item that is often missed. While we're on this roof, let me show you another maintenance item here. These pipes, the rubber dries out, water gets in. As you can see, it's actually wet down there. This needs to be sealed properly, and just having someone to come by and keep piling sealant on top of old sealant, it's never gonna work. At some point, you need someone that's coordinating this maintenance and inspection for you, like us, to properly create a detail and have the contractors clean up this thing. Remove all the old goop and apply proper sealant and seal it up.